Hi everyone. So today we are going to cover all the quality part of the business operations, the quality aspects, the quality control, the quality assurance, what you mean by quality, and all this related important thing. Like we can see the understanding the quality concept. That's one of the important thing we are going to cover. Quality. What do you mean by quality? Quality means everywhere. Sometimes you can see as a quality teacher, quality student, quality service. It's a superb say, vehicle is really quality. The smartphone is really the quality phone. This calculator is really quality calculator. Like that, this computer is really quality. What do you mean by quality? So it's a quality, some kind of like it's a very important concept because everyone wants to purchase some quality aspect, some quality item. So here we are going to understand what is the meaning of the concept of the quality. We are going to understand what is this quality. Quality, in the garment industry, there's another quality controllers are there. If you go to the dairy industries, the all the people, the farming and everything, there's another quality aspects are there. Building the construction industry has another quality aspects are there like that. So quality is there everywhere. Education quality is there. So sports there's a quality. Sportsmen are and there. Like, what is the quality? Always they talk about this quality. Is it a intangible thing? It's a tangible thing. What do you think about the quality? So that's what main concern today. And also we're going to understand the quality in the production of goods and provision of services, mainly business perspective of the quality, not the like a psychological level or not the spiritual like a human behavioral thing. This mainly are focusing about the quality perspective in the business arena, the business perspective of the quality control, the quality management. And we are going to understand the quality control and other principles as well later on the TQM and how the quality can be achieved in the competitive advantage it brings in the organization. We are going to cover up this part. So you can see here we have a really good case study here. We have a case study called quality at the uh, Albannach hotels. This Albannach hotel is located in the wild and remote coastal corner of the northwest Scottish Highlands. And you can see the characterful 200 years old house like a antique, like a not a modern hotel. It's like a that's a, another aspect because it's like a royal, like a main like a palace. So this hotel guide, if you go to that hotel, you can see the hotel is run by itself toward the chef proprietor Leslie and then Colin, and they have now entered in their 26th year of the hotel, the anniversary, and also they held a Michelin star. Michelin star is a quality. Even hotel industry also there's a we call normally this is 5-star hotel, 4-star hotel, 3-star hotel like that. So star grade they are awarding. So you can see you go to the Sri Lanka. Also we have some 5-star hotels are there like Chandrila, Marriott hotels, Ritz Carlton coming up, 5-star hotels in the world. So Michelin star since 2009, right? Many of their guests return on a regular basis and enjoy the food. Accommodation in the hotel was very luxurious, and owners have put on enormous amount of effort on renovation, right? Paying respect to the charm and history of the Highland House. That's another aspect of because the quality is coming because when you're booking a place or something, first of all, finding is it a 3-star hotel or 4-star hotel, or 5-star hotel. That's another thing. Quality will be sometimes thinking by that star grading. Yeah, sometimes it can be a what is the star grading of this hotel? What is the star grading? What is the rating of this app? Before you download some app, you're finding out what are the ratings of this app. The good ratings are there or not, like that. So the importance of quality is really important. You can see whether it's a hotel or whether it is a bulb or whether it is a laptop. So everyone wants to find some quality. You can see simple menu of this hotel. It's a menu card. You can see uh, Mussolini of wild, right? Lobster sauce, right? So many things are there. You can see different menus are there, and then that's simply the elegant, like a classy menu is there, right? Right? Not this like a gives a mainly some kind of like a the people who use this thing can you can find out what kind of like a menu card. By looking at the menu card they can get some idea about this hotel at least, right? So sample menu from the Albannach hotel, and finally the coffee and other that is favors and everything is there. So you can see by looking at this business you can see the main important thing is by business must produce a quality goods everyone because customers normally they are not willing to buy. They always want to have some kind of like a quality product for their price that they are paying, their investment. They expect is some kind of quality material, quality service. This means product have to be well designed. This designing part onward, the quality must be ensured, right? Not only the delivery section, designing section. Perform and the function for the which have been intended. Okay? Look good and be safe to use. Businesses that fail to produce a quality product are likely to lose out to competitors. That happen normally. For most businesses, quality really matters. Also, if a business can gain a competitive edge by offering a quality, it may be able to charge a higher price as well. They can charge a higher price because they know, because they are charging this much of price. You can see the quality of our hotel. You can see Sri Lanka also we have so many five-star hotels are there. You can see their price range are a little expensive than other hotels. If you normally compare with the four-star hotel and the five-star hotel is bit expensive, right? That's a normal thing. The price also they increase with the quality because it's fair, because they have to quality ingredients, quality material, quality process, so it's expensive. So like that, so higher the quality, higher the price, because normally charge a premium pricing, right? So mainly, the for general knowledge, you can see what is Michelin star. The Michelin tires, the Michelin, the tire man, but Michelin star is a worldwide recognition of the quality in the restaurant industry. Quality in the restaurant industry. So you can see that how Michelin star awards and everything, just for a reference. And we talk about the quality aspects. What is quality? Quality means the customer perspective, the features of a product that allow to satisfy customer needs. By looking at this, you can find out the mainly the quality is actually in the customer's mind. It's all about the customer perspective. How do you think about the product or service, good or service? That's all about the quality. So you can see it normally, you can see when consumers shopping, they may be considered quality when choosing a product. Quality could be described as those features of a product or service that allow to customers satisfy customer wants. Right? Example, if you're a family buying a new car, what are the factors normally you are thinking? Sometimes the space, sometimes the fuel efficiency, sometimes the classy and then the looks and everything, sometimes the comfortability or the functions, physical appearance, reliability and durability, will it last for a long 10 years? Those are the things. So special features, do you have like a satellite navigation or something like that? No, and I think most of the vehicles right now we have those facilities. Suitability, can't it seat for 6 people comfortably? Can it seat, 6 people, 7 people, 7 seater, 6 seaters? Repair, like is that easy to maintain? How much does it cost to maintain the car? Customer service, everything is really important. So importance of quality and really is a really important part is there. So if you have the more of the quality is really important, not only the vehicle industry. This is very important for all the industries, right now, because quality is more important than ever. Consumers are more aware. They get information about through the media of the internet, because consumers are very knowledgeable. They are really educated right now. So therefore, they have the access to all the information before they purchase something. It can be a vehicle, or it can be a uh, house, or it can be apartment. They start researching about it. If you Google it, you can get all the information that you want. Whether the vehicle there's a problem with the gearbox, whether the vehicle has any problem with the the navigation sometimes. So many things you can find out, whatever the industry. People are researching before something they purchase, researching on everything, because that decision they have enough resources, they have to find out all that information available everywhere. So consumers do not need to buy products from business that fails to deliver quality. So that's the thing, because consumers are paying some money, they're expecting some basic quality standards. So government legislation designed to protect consumers has forced firms to improve quality. For example, the production of food products has to be carried out in a hygienic environment and comply with health and safety legislation. Faulty products are costly for a business. Machinery that break down or constantly need to be repaired will also be expensive. Late delivery and productivity that results from poor quality in production can harm a business reputation. It's not only that, if you use the low quality material, sometimes there can be more wastage can be happen, right? Like not like a high quality material, because of the low quality material, wastage can be happen, less durability, less reputation. This you can see the development. These points are really important. So because of the quality part, you can actually can write down the good side as well as bad side. So the government legislation is also there to actually find out, not like a comply with this thing. So every industry, every factory, the quality is really important. Okay, we'll see what are the main aspect of the qualities and everything. Now it's all about the durability, appearance, and everything. Right, traditional quality control. Right. So look at this point. The traditional quality control. Traditionally, production department were responsible for ensuring the quality, right? And objectives might be seen like this. For example, quality control is kind of a making sure that the quality of a product meet the specified quality standard. That means they are not let any like a defect product into the market, because that's like a final screening point. Always they're screening that thing. Quality control is really important. Okay, before we go to the quality control and quality assurance, let's look at this video of the Toyota. You can see how this company actually are ensuring to satisfying the customer satisfaction. You can see quality control in Toyota. So you can see how they are ensuring the basic this vehicle production and everything. So you can see in the vehicle lab, they're actually the checking one by one all the vehicles, their quality control. Those are there, they go and check one by one. They're used to it. So it is done by a specialized people who can do it. Example, like a quality checkers, quality control. You can see in these vehicles and everything, they one by one they check, and also they do the test run also inside the organization. Okay, you can see now they open everything, and then and they're signing after that. So if there's any defect or something, they actually report it to management suddenly. Hmm? So everything they are checking. So it can be a defect about the painting. Some people are checking the paint stuff, the paint work. So they have good eyes and everything. You can see now their quality checking and everything done by quality is called quality checkers. Hmm? Sometimes it can be a paint work or in machine and everything. So right, so these are the people who are actually the quality aspects. So not only them. So even the other aspects of this, that light and everything working, right? And then with the all other functions are working. So hmm, before the designing process, they are normally checking all that the airbags and everything. They are checking before they get the approval and everything. They do all the you can see they are before they release the vehicle to the market. They check everything one by one. So that's how they do, right? Different tests. You can see the vehicles are properly moving or something. Okay, so that's how they actually they are checking all their vehicles and everything from that process. They are checking even everything. Even Mercedes Benz also same. This is how the Mercedes Benz, like I see the Benz car, everything they are producing. Uh, they are producing like they're producing Mercedes Benz and everything after there are certain videos are there like Mercedes Benz, BMW, and different quality check and quality control. You can see how this is the way they actually check in their quality. Some parts are done by painting like that way. Okay, so this is the main different method of quality checking. So mainly before they launch it to the customer, before they are giving it to the customer, the main aspect is making sure the product is actually meet the specific quality standards. So traditionally, the production department was responsible for this work. Production department, even garment industry, you can see there's another like this kind of a thing before every item, shirts, trousers, everything. They are checking one by one. They are responsible, production department, operation managers, and quality control, quality checkers, they are responsible for this thing, ensuring quality. The objectives are these things. This product satisfy consumer needs, they operate in the way they should, and can be produced for cost effectively, and can be repaired easily, can meet safety standards set down by legislation and independent bodies. These are these. So quality control is kind of like a in the past, they often involve quality controllers or quality inspectors. So you can see those like the previous videos. We found out there are quality controllers are there. They're checking the people's work and their product itself, and the product after production had been taken place. Like a post-mortem, like an organization at the end of the like a, at the end of the production, they go and check whether the product is okay. By today's standards, this is not right. This is not quality control. This is a method of finding poor quality product before it is sold. So that's why, because already the wastage happened. If they find that they detect something, this wastage already happened. In order to prevent that thing, there's another concept called quality assurance, or QA. QA, as a definition, working method that taken into account the customer wants when standardizing quality. It often involves guaranteeing that quality standards are met. It guarantees the quality standards are met. Quality assurance is actually assure the quality at each stage of production. Input, process, output. Not only output stage, even from the input stage onwards, there are quality checkers are there. So they call zero defect policy they are maintained. So today inspection, you can see, it is carried out during the production process, and then this means that the poor quality production can be prevented before production is complete. Such preventive approach is a preventive approach. Prevention is better than cure. So prevention is better than cure. Quality control is a cure approach, because this already happened, wastage already happened. The quality controller want to actually take it out from their production before it happens, before it goes to the market, they want to filter it. But now quality assurance is not like that. They want to prevent the defect items everywhere. Always they are going and check and inspect. So these are used by Japanese business and it's known as a total quality management, or TQM concept. Quality assurance is committed by a business to maintain high quality throughout the organization. And the aim is to stop problems before they occur rather than finding them after they occur. So quality assurance also takes into account the customer views in the production process. That's how it goes on. Right. So mainly, this is linked to it's a family of a Kaizen as well. So some people might be there. Yeah, you might have some kind of confusion. Is this a part of a Kaizen? Kaizen? Yeah, it's a Kaizen is all about the quality, right? So it's all about the Kaizen is reducing the resources use. So if you want to reduce the resources, the another aspect is improve the quality circle and everything. So quality assurance, quality control, that also coming under this Kaizen process. So it's a part of the Kaizen. So everything TQM, Kaizen, 5S, just in time, everything linked with the lean production. So it's part of the lean production. So it's not only Kaizen. Kaizen is a continuous improvement, right? It's a continuous improvement. No. So it's normally include some kind of a it's part of a lean production. Lean means like a less of everything. Okay. Before go to quality control and quality assurance, let's look at this small video clip about the difference between the quality control and quality assurance.
Quality assurance and quality control are commonly confused terms in software testing. Both processes are meant to improve product quality, but they are not alike. So what exactly do quality assurance and quality control mean? Quality assurance, that is QA, serves as a validation process to ensure that the product has met its requirements. In short, the process assures expected quality for the product. Quality control, that is QC, ensures that all the necessary procedures, methodologies, and techniques have been followed to ensure a defect-free product. QA and QC, how do they differ? By nature of the process, QA is a preventative process that is used to establish methods that can prevent bugs. QC is a corrective process that can identify and fix errors. In terms of focus, QA's focus will be on the quality of verification process, while QC's focus will be on the entire product. How do they work? QA, quality management system. Continuous monitoring. Necessary modification. Predetermined objectives. QC, technology, that is tools, plus testing skills, find product quality problems and defects. Activities involved in QA include document review, test cases review, walkthrough, inspection, etc. QC activities include functional testing, test automation, compatibility testing, integration testing, etc. Example: QA, process checklist, standards, documentation, and project audit. QC, inspection, peer reviews, and software testing process. Which resources are involved? QA, everybody in the development team is a part of the process. QC, a dedicated team skilled in testing. Differences in statistical technique. QA, since process-oriented parameters and inputs are involved, SPC, that is, statistical process control graphs, are used, while for QC, since graphs are used for finished product, SQC, that is, statistical quality control graphs, are required. QA and QC difference in terms of time consumed. QA consumes less time, while QC is an extensive process that consumes a lot of time. Things to keep in mind. You have to learn about the difference between CMM or ISO 9000 to understand the process.
Right. So now you find out mainly the difference between QA and QC, quality control and quality assurance. Quality control is a kind of like it's a controlling process at the end. There's a dedicated specific team is there called quality controller. They go and inspect. But quality assurance is a kind of a preventive method. Preventive method take less time and everyone in the organization responsible to assure the quality. So quality assurance is actually ensuring that at the end of the production process there is no defects, there is no damage, or there is no like an unsuitable item which is not good for the markets. That means zero defect policy we can assure from quality assurance. But quality assurance is a little bit expensive. Why? Because we have to make some kind of quality culture. Because everyone actually we have to give the dedication and commitment to get the everyone's dedication and commitment for the quality. That's why total quality management aspect also coming on like that. Because quality assurance, we want to actually have zero defect policy. So not like quality control. There are quality controllers like a specific team, committed team with the specific skills. At the end of the production process, they go and check. But quality assurance is not like that. Throughout the production process, they inspect. So everyone are inspectors. So everyone has to be check the quality from input section, process and output, all the three stages. So that's the main difference between the quality control and the quality assurance situations in the organization. You can see the other part, the TQM, the total quality management, is another aspect designed by to prevent errors such as poor quality products from ever happening. Now, what are the features of TQM? Total quality management. You can see now there are quality chain. This is like a part of as I told you, is a TQM also part of the lean production. So total quality management, we have to follow these principles. So coming from the quality chains. Everyone is involved. Quality audits are going on. Teamwork is there. So teamwork, is a part of the Kaizen as well. And customer focus and zero defects. These are the main concept, the features of the TQM. Right? There are 6 features of that. You can see the summarize of the TQM features. Quality chains are there. What is a quality chain? Every worker in the business is like linked in a chain, and every worker is both customer and the supplier. This is because a worker on a production line will only receive, right, as customer and pass on as a supplier on semi-finished work. It has to be reached specified quality standard. This avoid the faulty products ever being made. And the chain also include customers and suppliers outside the business. So quality chain is like that. So every worker in the business as a part of the quality assurance, quality control. It can be the lower level person, like it can be the janitor, or it can be the higher level person, or called managing director or chairman. So lower level to the higher level, everyone should be a part of this quality chain. That means when you open the gate, from the gatekeepers onwards to the chairman level onwards, everyone, the customer satisfaction can assure from that level as well. Because if the janitor doesn't do his job properly, then what happens? The organization, other activities cannot work properly. Therefore, even the small cleaning people's work also really matter for the value creation. Therefore, everyone is involved. Every department, activity, and worker is organized to take into account the quality at all times. TQM must start from the top with the chairperson and spread throughout the business to every employee. And there are quality audits. Statistical data is used to monitor the quality standards. These checks or audits aim to reduce variation. This is the cause of the most quality problem, and the variation is products, delivery times, materials, and worker performance often occur. Such variations can be easily identified if the statistical data is used. So another thing, quality audits are there. Always people are coming and checking these data statistics, whether these numbers are okay, because everything numerically they measure these quality numbers. How many minutes it will take to finish this, how many items they use, how many millimeters, how many kilometers, they measure everything. So quality audits are there, whether the standards are meeting these requirements and everything, right? And team working, whether the team working sections are working really. Teamwork is a part of the lean as well. You can see the TQM is level. Stress the teamwork is the most effective way of solving problems. Teamwork, not individual process. So total quality management makes like a quality like a culture of the organization. And this is because team have more skills, knowledge, and experience than a single person. And finally, towards the customer focus, firms using TQM are committed to their customers and they respond to changes in the people needs and expectations. And zero defects, zero defect policy. Many quality systems have a zero defect policy. This aims to ensure that every product that is manufactured is free from defects. These things is the zero defect policy. So this is summary. You can see the table 45.1 summarizes some advantage and disadvantage of TQM. So TQM advantage, you can see that means from this section, mainly you can see like a long essay questions can be expected, like TQM, some evaluation questions, evaluate the usefulness of the TQM, or it can come for a like analyze question, analyze the benefits of the total quality management, analyze the impact of the total quality management, like that. So therefore, you should know mainly the practical aspects, mainly what are the main benefits of the total quality management, such as its focus on customer need, therefore customer satisfaction, and quality improved in all aspects of the business, therefore not only on the production, even the marketing, finance, HR, IT. So all the aspects of the business, all the functions, the quality will improve. Waste and inefficiency is removed. That is what waste removal means. That's called the lean. Right? Lean also happening, and also helps to develop the ways of measuring performance, and also improve the communication and problem solving. Why? Because the teamwork. Because if you have a problem, you can raise that question from the team, and team can give a good solution for you to find out the proper method to get rid of that problem. However, this TQM has their own disadvantages or limitations, my dear students. You can see the disadvantages are high training and implementation cost. This is not easy to implement because we need some kind of quality culture and commitment from everyone. And also, we'll only work with everyone committed only. So everyone's commitment is really, really important. If one person say, I can't help, this is not my job is only cleaning. So I have to do that job properly. But normally, so this is if they are dislike to, if they like to actually not support this process, this cannot be happen. And also maybe bureaucratic, lot of documents can be involved in that case. Bureaucratic also can be happen. A little bit of paperwork are involved because system audits and everything is always you have to everywhere. You can see the forms. You can see even in the bathrooms. There are bathroom checkup, clean. What time they come, what time they go, how many. What's the last time they do the maintenance? You have to maintain some records. These records will be checked by another person. And what time you come? What are things that you like? A checklist is there. Even in the bathroom, also you can see. Did you change the this one sanitizer? Did you change the this one? Like everything they one by them. There's a checklist. This bureaucracy, it will be like a documentation part is there because it's systematic. That's a very methodical way, and also focus is on the process and not the product. That's another disadvantage. The final focus is only mainly on the process part, not the final product, because they are responsible only the process part. They want to make sure the process is 100% accurate. Then they know 100% product also accurate. Therefore, not the final product like quality control. They focusing mainly on the process from top to bottom. Right. So mainly that's a key to it. So today, let's sum up the lesson. So we talk about mainly the quality. So quality is really important part in everywhere in the goods and service provision. So quality we can achieve by traditionally we normally looking that quality management is a part of the production department, production operation manager. But right now, just now we found out that quality actually is the responsibility of the everyone. But marketing manager also responsible for quality. Accountant also responsible for quality. That's called the total quality management. Therefore, quality is nowadays is like a culture. Organization, everyone must be committed to it. So you can see quality can be assured from the physical appearance, reliability and durability, special features, suitability, repair, everything. This is like an example for a vehicle, but normally always the quality means like this thing. We're talking about the reliability, durability, special features, service, price, everything. And also we talk about the importance of quality. If you have a very quality product, and then you can increase the competition, you can be a good competitor, and competitive advantage you can build up, brand recognition you can have for the quality items. Government legislation designed, therefore they can comply with the government legislation. You can actually European Union legislations are there, standards are there. Before we export to those countries, you have to comply with those standards. These things are there. And also faulty products are costly for the business. Therefore, sometimes machine breakdowns are not happening if you use quality product. And like a wastages, machine breakdown, this is rarely happen if you use quality items. For example, let's take for a photocopy machine. If you use a quality paper, what happens? Smoothly it will run. If you use bad papers, what happens? Sometimes a photocopy machine also can break down because of the paper roll is not that much good. The paper's material is low quality. These are the things that we talk about today. And also finally talk about the QA and QC. Talk about that main differences of QA and QC. In traditional QC approach, I told you, is mainly focusing on actually ensuring the quality product actually entering into the market. So quality control is like that. But quality assurance we talk about is not like that. It's a preventive measure. Therefore, we are entering on zero defects. Right? And finally, talk about the quality assurance is a method that actually take into account the customer wants, standardizing quality. And finally, we talk about the TQM. It's a managerial approach that focuses on the quality and aims to improve the effectiveness, flexibility, and competitiveness of the business organization. Okay, so today we had a very important lesson: quality. We talk about the quality control, we talk about the quality assurance, and we talk about the total quality management as well. Okay, from that, guys, so look at this video. If you have any problem again and again, if you have a problem with the quality control and quality assurance, just go and check that thing, talk about the differences and everything, which is really important. So I hope you learn this lesson properly, then thank you very much. Have a nice day for everyone. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.